stalk mode. Let's see. Oh, bit of courage chasing them. There we go. And all 5 setting off. But you see the zebra don't run too far before they turn around and chase the cheetah. And then there we go. Oh, panic stations here for the cheetah. Right up the tree, you see that? Now this... As soon as they turn their backs, the zebra... Oh, right up that scotia as well. Weeping Boobie, that cheetah now is a bit trapped where it is there. The only way out is up. There runs the one. To the right, also just finding a tree to climb, I think. Chaos. But here come the zebra back for round 2, and the cheetah straight back up the same tree it just came down. Another zebra coming straight back towards that. Oh, straight back up the tree. It's just come down again for the 3rd time this morning. There you can hear that whistle. I now count 4 of them, so one didn't join in the playtime at all this morning.